got the 5.0 and another PAXTON 5.0. I'm gonna go and just watch and just play around. That 5.0 is stupid fast. I can't believe he's going to race. You can come on. About to roll out of Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna try and find some races tonight. Otherwise, we just chilling. 91 degree air intake temps on a 91 degree day. It feels a little hotter than 91, I think. Let's see. Yep, 89. So I got maybe like 2 degrees in change. That is sick. Guys, we're taking Murphy for a ride. He's never been in the Subaru, so we're gonna give him a good 0 to 60. didn't think it was cutting it into the dirt. I just thought it was sliding.
Would you do that in your front yard?
This is my yard. This is my fucking yard. What the fuck? Fuck, bro. Damn, that's satisfying, though. It fucking got into the lake on this one. I'm glad I didn't, like, get it too hard, or I would have, like, actually bent some shit, you know? That's quite a bit of dirt there. I mean, that's quite a bit of dirt there. Holy shit. Look at that. Yeah. Hole we dug out.
That's the front.
Dude, oh my God. I mean, I wasn't too worried because, you know, we got the Tundra. We can just pull it out. Oh, hell yeah, I found a golf ball. Since Dude Man's so worried about us tearing up. Oh my God, dude, that is like the legit chunk out of there. Like one big ass chunk.
I don't know if I can pick it all up.
Nah, dude, that is crazy. Alright guys, I know this vlog has kind of jumped around a lot or whatever, but I just wanted to say I have no idea why my